On April 14, I had the privilege of visiting the Jingdezhen International Ceramic Art Biennale, located within the Art Museum of Jingdezhen Ceramic University. This exhibition showcased a captivating array of ceramic artworks, freely accessible to the public. Originating solely from the resident artists, teachers, and students of Jingdezhen Ceramic University, these pieces exuded creativity and craftsmanship. Notably, some international resident artists received sponsorship from the university, facilitating their journey to Jingdezhen, China. Their activities encompassed lectures, workshops, and artistic endeavors, all aimed at enriching their understanding and practice of ceramic art. In a gesture of gratitude, these artists generously contributed their creations to the university museum, underscoring their desire to share their talents with a wider audience. By offering partial coverage for transportation, accommodation, studio space, as well as ceramic painting materials and equipment, Jingdezhen Ceramic University fostered an environment conducive to artistic exploration and innovation. The artists' collective aspiration was evident: to spark the interest of art enthusiasts and garner recognition for their talents, ultimately paving the way for broader opportunities in their artistic journeys. This narrative merely scratches the surface of the vibrant creativity and cultural exchange witnessed at the exhibition. Stay tuned for more captivating insights in the upcoming episodes of the video series. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button.